Hi friends, welcome to SSCJ Electrical. In this video, I am going to explain measurements previous questions. This is the part 7 video. Up to part 6 videos links I have given in the description. You can go through it. And in this video, I will explain 4 questions. All are very important, and watch the complete video. And before going to this, I will give you one question, answer in comments. What is the SI unit of conductivity? What is the SI unit of conductivity? Answer in comments. See here. First question. If 110 volts 50 Hz is applied across a PMMC voltmeter of full scale range of 0 to 220 volts and internal resistance of 10 kilo ohms, reading of the voltmeter will be. Here the voltmeter is PMMC voltmeter. So it is the PMMC voltmeter. So it measures the average value. It measures the average value. Here what you are applying, it is AC waveform. You are applying AC waveform. So what happens? What will be the reading here? It will be 0 volts only, because PMMC measures only average value. Average is nothing but a what? DC value. When you are applying a AC value, what happens? The DC value becomes 0. So that is why answer is 0. Again I am repeating. See here, PMMC measures average value. Average is nothing but a DC value. DC value of a AC waveform is what? 0. DC value of AC waveform is 0. That is why answer is 0 here. Next question. To maximize the driving torque in an induction type instrument, flux produced by the shunt coil and series coil should be. To maximize the driving torque in an induction type instrument, flux produced by the shunt coil and series coil should be what? See here. Driving torque formula is, driving torque is proportional to sine of angle between series flux and shunt coil flux. So sine pi. This is angle between shunt coil flux and series coil flux. See here. First option, in phase with each other. When it is in phase with each other, what happens? When it is in phase, what happens? In phase means the angle is 0. So sine 0 what? Sine 0 is 0. So first one 0 you are getting. Deflection torque is proportional to sine of pi. So sine pi value I am writing here. If the sine pi value is maximum, then what happens? Deflection torque becomes maximum here. That is driving torque becomes maximum. In phase with each other, sine of 0, 0, that is 0 I have written. In quadrature with each other. In quadrature means that is 90 degrees. Sine 90 how much? That is 1. Displaced by 45 degrees. If the angle is 45 degrees, what happens? Sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 can be written as 0.707. So driving torque is proportional to 0.707. Next, out of phase with each other. Out of phase means what? 180 degrees. Sine of 180 how much? Sine of 90 plus 90, that is cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. So you are getting 0. So driving torque is proportional to these values. Which is maximum? So second one is maximum. That is why this is the correct answer here. To maximize the driving torque, in an induction type instrument, flux produced by the shunt coil and series coil should be in quadrature with each other. When the shunt coil and series coil are in quadrature with each other, then what happens? Maximum driving torque will be produced. Next question. To minimize the driving torque, see here. To minimize the error due to lead and contact resistance, low resistance used in electrical measurement work are provided with. To minimize the error due to lead and contact resistance, low resistance used in electrical measurement work are provided with. Answer is 4 terminals. See here. When the low resistance is provided with these 4 terminals, the measured quantity will not get affected with this. When you are using this 4 terminals method, then what happens? The measured quantity will not get affected. That is why you use 4 terminals for low resistance here. Okay. To minimize the error due to lead and contact resistance, low resistance used in electrical measurement work are provided with 4 terminals. Important bit. Next one. The average value of voltage waveform is, see here, the average value of voltage wave is asking average value of voltage waveform. You know this, in first question I have discussed PMMC measures average value. When you are measuring average value for DC waveform, it becomes 0. Here you are measuring the average value of voltage waveform. In this voltage waveform, this is DC quantity and this is the AC quantity, because there is a frequency term 314 is there. No, 314 is nothing but what here, that is regarding 2 pi ft. 2 into pi means 3.14 and f is nothing but 50 Hz frequency. There is a frequency term, that is why this is a AC waveform. The AC, for the AC waveform, average value is 0. So only DC value only will be considered for average value. So answer is 110 volts. Directly you can write here. Okay. For example, for the same question, if they ask you RMS value, what you will calculate also, just see here. If they ask you, for example, RMS, how do you calculate? That is 110 square plus, that is 175 by root 2 whole square, like that you will write. Plus if there is another term, like that you will repeat it. Okay. For example, 10 sine of something is there, that is 10 by root 2 whole square, like that you will write. And later you will simplify this for the RMS value. Here he is asking only average value, that is why you are writing simply the DC value here, that is 110 volts. When this term is not there, then what happens? Both will be cancelled, only 110 only will get, like that. Okay. And these are the 4 important questions. Okay. For SI unit of conductivity, this question I have given you for answering in comments. If you know the SI unit of conductivity, if you know the resistivity formula, you can answer this. Okay. If you know the resistivity formula, you can answer this. Resistivity units can be calculated using resistivity formula. Okay. So you can answer in comments. Okay. And see here. So these are the 4 important questions from measurement previous questions. And thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.